Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson algebraic expressions. Now coming to the multiplication of binomials. We have learnt about a monomial and monomial and a binomial. Now two binomials, how you multiply. Okay, find the product of x plus 3y and 2x plus y. So write the question. Now how we have to do? First it is x, first term into this full 2x plus y. Now here sign is plus. Now the second term is 3y multiplied by the full next binomial. So from the first binomial, first term into the second binomial, put the sign second term of the first binomial and then multiply the second binomial. Understood? Now direct x 2x means 1 2s are 2, x into x squared plus x into y xy. Now plus 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 3 2s are 6 x and y. Now plus 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 3 1s are 3 y 2 times. Now these are like terms, so underline. So 2x squared plus plus. So you have to add. So plus, here is 1, here is 6, 1 plus 6 is 7 xy. Here it is plus 3y squared. This is the final. Now coming to example 13. Find the product and verify the result. Okay. Now first you will write 2pq and then the second binomial 3p squared plus 4q bracket close. Now here sign is minus. Write the second term and multiply with the second binomial. Okay. Now here 2 3s are, it is 6, p squared, that is p cube, then it is q plus 2 4s are 8, then p, q and q, that is q squared. Now minus plus minus 1 3s are 3, p squared and q squared. Now minus plus minus 1 4s are 4, q squared and q means q cube. Isn't it? You can add the powers, otherwise count. इधर 2 q है, इधर 1 q है, तो 3 q हो गया है ना, मतलब q cube. Okay, now is there any like terms? There is no like term. P cube q, p q squared, p squared q squared, 4q cube. This is the final answer. Sometimes you get the like terms, then you have to solve. Otherwise, directly, whatever answer you get, that one only you have to keep. Okay, now the verification. Verification, you will write LHS, RHS. P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to minus 2. Now LHS, that is the main question. What is it? 2pq here minus q squared bracket 3p squared plus 4q. Okay, write the question and check. 2pq minus q squared, 3p squared plus 4q. Now put the values, square bracket open, 2 into, put it in the bracket, 2 into q is minus 2, bracket close, minus q squared, that is minus 2 square bracket, then again bracket open, 3 into p squared, 2 squared plus 4 into q is minus 2. Okay. Now here the sign will be minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now minus, this one will be minus 2 the whole squared. It becomes plus 4, isn't it? Now here 3 into 2 square is 4 plus 4 into minus 2. It becomes minus 8. Okay, now it will be minus 8 minus 4. Minus 8 minus 4. And here it will be 12 minus 8. That becomes minus 8 minus 4 becomes how much? Minus 8 minus 4 becomes minus 12 into 12 minus 8 is 4. That means minus 48. Okay, now coming to RHS, that is 6p cube q plus 8p q squared minus 3p squared q squared minus 4q cube. 6p cube q, 8p squared minus 3p squared q squared minus 4q cube. Now put the values. It is a 6 into p is 2, 2 cube into q is minus 2, bracket close, plus 8 into p is 2, q is minus 2 square minus 3 into p 2 square into q is minus 2 square bracket close minus 4 into q is minus 2 cube bracket close. Okay, now it becomes 6 into 2 cube is 8 into minus 2 plus 8 into 2 into minus 2 square becomes 4 minus 3 into 2 square becomes 4. Now minus 2 square becomes again 4 minus 4 into minus 2 cube. It will be minus only, isn't it? And 2 cube is 8. Is it clear? Okay, now coming to the final calculation, this becomes minus 6 2s are 12, 12 8s are 96 plus it is 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are 64. Now here it is minus. Now 3 4s are 12, 12 4s are 48. Now minus of minus becomes plus, 4 8s are 32. Okay, now the negative ones, minus 6 plus 8, it is 14, 1 remains. Now 1 in hand, so it is 9, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So the answer is minus, subtract करने का है ना, minus 4 5 6 means 8. Now here it is 3 remains, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 4 remains. So you got minus 48. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Is it clear? So while solving the problems, verification and all, in between don't talk, don't get distracted, otherwise you will make some mistakes or the other. And while writing the question, please write it properly, and the question while you write, and then the answer for LHS, RHS. So first you check the question, whatever you have written, then start solving. Okay, so that was about example 13. Now coming to the example 14. Simplify. It's only simplification, no verification, but it is very big. Okay, now 2a squared. So you have to, first what we will do, 2a squared, this one, isn't it? 2a square bracket open a minus b. Are you understanding, all of you? 2a squared bracket a minus b plus the second one, 5b squared bracket open a minus b. Now put the bracket, and now plus, now here first one is a squared bracket open 3a plus 4b. Now here it is minus b squared bracket open 3a plus 4b. Clear? Okay, now coming to the solution. Now 2 ones are 2, a squared a becomes a cube minus 2 ones are 2, a squared, and now here it is b. Okay, now here 5 ones are 5, a and b squared. Now plus minus minus, 5 ones are 5. Now b squared b means b cube. Now it is a plus a squared, here 1, isn't it? 1 3s are 3, a squared a, that is a cube. Now 1 4s are 4, a squared b. Now it is, because here is plus, so you can directly open the bracket, no need of putting the bracket again. Okay, now minus 1 3s are 3, a and b squared. Now minus of plus minus, 1 4s are 4, b squared b is b cube. Okay. Now we'll see whether any like terms are there. Now here is a cube and here is a cube. So 2 plus 3 is 5a cube. Next, a squared b. Check, this is a squared b. This is ab squared. This is not the like term. A squared b, a squared b. Minus 2 plus 4 means it is plus 2a squared b. Why? Minus 2 plus 4, different signs. Bigger number is having the plus sign, put plus and subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now coming to ab squared. Now ab squared, plus 5 minus 3, okay, plus 2ab squared. Now b cube, here is b cube here. So minus minus, in same sign put minus. Now add 5 plus 4, 9, b cube. Clear? These were the examples up to example 14. Hope everyone understood this much. Okay then, bye. Thank you.